Breaking the Chains, a journey towards freedom. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the powerful phrase, breaking the chains. This expression is rich in meaning and imagery, symbolizing the act of overcoming restrictions or limitations. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add depth to your English skills. Let's explore what it means to break the chains, and see how it's used in language and life. Breaking the chains is a metaphorical expression that signifies gaining freedom from constraints or limitations. Chains, in this context, are symbols of bondage or restriction. Therefore, when someone breaks these chains, they are essentially freeing themselves from something that holds them back or restricts their movements or growth. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal development and relationships to social, political, or historical movements. 1. Personal growth. When someone overcomes a personal struggle, like addiction or a limiting belief, they are breaking the chains of that issue, allowing themselves to move forward in life. 2. Social and political movements. In history, breaking the chains has been a powerful metaphor for movements striving for independence, human rights, or social justice. It symbolizes the collective effort to overcome oppression or inequality. 3. Literature and media. This phrase is also popular in books, movies, and songs, representing the struggle against constraints and the triumph of the human spirit. 1. Expressing personal achievements. I finally broke the chains of my fear of public speaking by joining a debate club. 2. Discussing historical events. The revolution was about the people breaking the chains of tyranny and seeking freedom. 3. Motivational contexts. In motivational speeches or writings, using breaking the chains can inspire listeners or readers to overcome their own barriers. Breaking the chains is more than just a phrase. It's a narrative of overcoming and liberation. Whether it's personal hurdles, societal constraints, or historical oppressions, this expression reminds us of the resilience and strength inherent in the human condition. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth and power of breaking the chains. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and emotions they convey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing phrases with you in our series.